Welcome back to Animals of the Ark. On this week's episode, let's meet Maize. She is a 1-year-old mixed breed puppy who loves to play. Maize was a stray found near the shelter and she is unspayed. She is easy to walk and loves to chase after balls. Maize would thrive best in a country setting as an only pet. She's protective and will need a second to get comfortable with new people, but after that she is very friendly. Maize is great with kids and loves to be pet. If you are interested in providing a loving home for Maize, call the Animal Rescue Coalition of Mecosta County today.